Hi, it's Jacob here, and in this quick tip, I'm going to teach you how I create templates using the Notes app. That means for things like meeting minutes, I can simply duplicate an old note, and I can use that as a template to keep track of what's happening in this meeting. So here you can see I'm working on that original template, and at the moment I've got a few headings. I want to add one more heading for key points, and I'm going to put a bullet point underneath it. That means I can quickly jot down what happens in the meeting. I'm also going to format the heading of this section as a heading in the Notes app. What that means is that it can actually be minimized by pressing the little chevron arrow next to it here. So if the note gets quite long, all of these sections can be collapsed or expanded if I need them to. Okay, so this is my template done. All of the information that I want to record in a meeting is now here, but of course if I just start writing in this note, I won't have a template anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to long press the name of the note in the sidebar on the left, and I'm going to choose to pin this note. It's now going to appear at the very top of the Notes app, and is always going to be in that top to pin section. Then, whenever I've got a meeting, I'm going to long press on the pinned note and press duplicate. Here you'll see I've now got two exact copies. It doesn't really matter which one is a template because they're both identical. So all I'll do is long press on one of them and then unpin it. That now becomes the note for today's meeting. And I can go straight on there and I can place all of the placeholder text, I can type in whatever I want, and I can even customize the headings and change the note completely if I want to. But it's given me that starting point to take some notes. And when the meeting's finished, I've got all of my notes stored in one place. And then when the next meeting happens, I can simply long press on the pinned note one more time, I can press duplicate, and I can unpin one of them again. And then as quickly as that, I've got a brand new note with all the headings in place that I can just start working on. The pinned note is always going to be there, always pristine, ready to go as your template, but you can use as many of these as you want to. And that's how you can use templates in Notes. I hope you found this useful. If you have, please do press the like button down below and check out the rest of my YouTube channel. There are hundreds more iPad quick tips there, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any in the future. That's it, I'll see you next time.